and gentlemen, it is our turn to get our barracks and schools across the country fumigated. This is to ensure that our environment is disinfected, to keep our troops and families safe, to carry out our mandate. Today's exercise has been made possible by the intervention of our Commander-in-Chief through the Minister of Defense, and we really appreciate that effort. Permit me to reiterate the fact that the Ghana Armed Forces remains committed and will continue to support government in the fight against COVID-19. In this regard, we continue to utilize the Level 2 hospital at the Airwork Stadium, put at the disposal of the Ghana Health Service our logistics chain management expertise, and use all assets by land, by air and sea to tackle the menace until victory is won. Honorable Deputy Minister, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are honored to have all of you here on this special occasion. Today, Zoomlion Ghana Limited will be commissioned to fumigate all barracks, offices, and places of worship, accommodation, and other facilities of the Ghana Armed Forces. I hereby warmly welcome you to Ghana Camp and thank you all for taking time to be with us for this program. Once again, most welcome and thank you for coming.
The military has been in the forefront of the fight against the spread of the novel coronavirus, and it is important that as you work hard to protect our people, you are also protected. That is why Zoomlion is happy to partner you today to protect your facilities and other installations through this disinfection exercise. Following the declaration in March this year of the COVID-19 pandemic by the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Zoomlion Ghana Limited has, in partnership with various ministries, undertaking disinfection exercises in markets, schools, police installations, and other private and government institutions.
The personnel of the Ghana Armed Forces, together with other sister security agencies, have continued to partner the Ghana Health Services in the front line to fight against this pandemic, and in so doing, are faced with the danger of contracting the disease. Your exceptional vigilance and diligence in ensuring that the protocols and restrictions outlined by the President were obeyed, even at the danger of your own life, is commendable. In line with all these, the government has contracted Zoomlion Ghana Limited to fumigate and disinfect all barracks facilities across the country, just as the disinfection exercise of both public and private schools in the country. This exercise, which is to be replicated simultaneously in all barracks, has become crucial to help or control the community spread of COVID-19.
What are the options?
We are all aware that the globe, and for that matter, the world has been hard hit with the coronavirus pandemic. Under the circumstances, His Excellency President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the former President Abu Dhabi the First, he has taken a proactive and resilient leadership in mobilizing the nation's health professionals who have diagnosed, analyzed the problem scientifically, and they have advised him, and he has mobilized his appointees to see how we will rally behind him to support the medical team to work to fight, if not eliminate, the coronavirus pandemic, but reduce its effect and its negative impact on the generality of Ghanaians to a very minimal level. That notwithstanding, there has become the needed push to partner institutions, be it government or private institutions, to see how collectively we can use synergy to tackle this coronavirus pandemic.
Very important in the sense that I think we are all aware of this COVID-19 pandemic, and we need to put measures in place to make sure that this disease doesn't affect not only the military personnel but people Ghanaians. Our soldiers, we are ready to defend the country, but my advice to everybody, every Ghanaian, is also to take this COVID-19 pandemic serious and put in the needed, measures, i.e., washing of hands, wearing of nose masks, and all those things to ensure that we stay healthy and safe.
Ghana forces, of course, as you will expect, were seriously exposed to various levels of possible actions and contamination. It is therefore necessary that all installations in the Ghana forces are fumigated to ensure that they are made safe for use. It is in view of this procedure that the Chief of Defence Staff, the Ghana forces, made his approval of the Zoomlion Ghana Limited to undertake a nationwide fumigation disinfection exercise of all garrisons across the country, of military offices, ships, aircraft, and barracks.
I am grateful to the President for this opportunity for seeking the welfare of the people. Then also I'm grateful to Zoomlion for the effort that you are making to support the life of the people of this country. I know you've done a lot of voluntary exercises all over. Now I encourage you to do more. You've gone through various tertiary institutions and you've taken upon yourself to also fumigate all military installations across the country. And I know you will not end it there. You continue with other institutions, particularly DHS and allied institutions. I want to believe that the exercise that you performed this morning will go a long way to help protect the life of our people in the army, and also set as an example for all others to follow.